Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at this little saw, which is foldable. So that's kind of nice. Yeah, my camera holder broke, so unfortunately I have to do the review with one hand. So don't mind that too much. I'm trying my best to figure this out here. So how it works, you just release this button here, and then it's foldable. And I will try to do that here. Let me just try and figure that out though. It's not gonna be as easy. Everything is kind of secured obviously because it's a freaking saw after all. But yeah, this is what it looks like when it's outside. You can see it's got a nice plate. Everything is just connected quite nicely, and it's easy to use. And yeah, pretty straightforward. When you're done, you just push the button. You can flick it back in. Gotta be careful